When your home hits the market, we want to ensure that it's looking as good as it possibly can, and there's a variety of things we can do to ensure that. Let's start outside. Curb appeal. How does that house look when these clients are pulling up to it for the first time? We want to make sure that your Amazon boxes are out of sight, your yard is freshly mowed, and that the dog toys are put away. And on the inside of the home, we want to make sure that it's looking just as good. We want to make sure there's lots of natural light, the counters are clear of excess clutter, and the kiddos' toys are put away. Two other things to address at this point are to ensure that the hot water heater is double strapped and there's a carbon monoxide detector on each floor of the home. The goal here is to have your home looking fresh, sparkly, and clean for those listing day photos.